morning. I'm running on like no sleep, but I had to wake up and get my daughter ready for school. I just had some avocado toast, some orange juice, and I actually think I might have figured out a simple way of editing. So I got real motivated to start recording today. Also, hopefully the things I ordered from Amazon come in today so that I can take down my Christmas tree. It's literally January 19th, New Year 2022. Time to take this down. Guys, I'm going to go to Home Goods. And you know how I said in the previous video, if I'm going to add it, that I want to redecorate my closet, reorganize it. So I'm gonna see if I can find some storage bins, maybe like a little stool, a chair, you know, cute little carpet. But your girl is on a budget. So I'm not bringing no credit cards, nothing. I gave myself a $300 limit. Because when I be going inside a Target, Home Goods, or Crate & Barrels, your girl spends a lot of money. I be going in there to find a few things, and I come out with a lot. So, I'm going to be recording, taking you guys along with me. And like I said, I'm going to be able to calculate on my phone because I'm not going over my budget, and I can't because I'm not bringing anything else. So, be back. Alright, so I'm in my car. I need to get a car wash, but guys, I'm gonna be honest. I'm a little nervous. Shit. I was trying to put my tripod down somewhere. But yeah, I'm a little nervous because I never recorded in public. Everyone's gonna be staring at me. But you know, if I want to be on YouTube, I need to get used to it, you feel me? So, it's all good. I'll get over it once I'm there. Just like I'm talking to myself. Well, no, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to whoever is watching this video. So, alright. I'm gonna film when I'm back. So, literally, the other day when I was recording, all like the ending of my footage had deleted. I was talking about redecorating my closet. I added these lights that I got on Amazon. I also had added these shelves. But this week I'm going to be getting more containers from the Container Store. I need to definitely take that out. So I got this from Target. I feel like I can add another one. And I'm just showing you guys basically the before and after my closet. Still a big mess. I'm about to donate this week. So, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my closet. I finally organized it. I have 2 trash bags that I still need to drop off and donate. But I'm going to show you so far what I have got done. So, I had got a carpet. I got the little chair. And I got more containers from the Container Store. So far, this is how it's looking. I still need to get that stain out. It's really bothering me. So I know that I've already done 2 try-on hauls for Skims. I got a bunch of more stuff. I had spent about almost $700. I clearly, at this point, I'm obsessed with the brand. It's so comfortable. And you can really tell some of the stuff I open. I'm wearing my Skims right now. But I just figured I'd add that into my video. I also got some more essentials. I don't know where it looks like I need like a lint roller. Yeah. I color coordinated a little bit more, and I'm gonna show you the essentials. More essentials. This was in my previous YouTube video. This I got hair on, pressed on, that I have yet to wear. So cute though. So basically all that's left for me to finish my closet is some more containers. Also, I'm gonna be trying to add LED lights right here to this mirror. A couple more lights for the shelves where I have the heels. And this is so far. I'll show you guys the finished product. The little chairs so I could take my pictures. Look how cute this is. Like, I got it off Amazon, and literally I just keep finding more and more cute little stuff on Amazon to add to my closet. I'm obsessed. So I had just added this LED light. I think it makes such a difference. Obviously I showed you the stool right here. I want to add more lights to the mirror. So far everything is coming out to be exactly how I want it to be. So I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm sorry, it's like early in the morning and I just realized I was whispering. Thank you so much if you stayed tuned and watched this whole video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see differently. This video had took me longer to edit and upload. It is now February 1st. You know, your girl was stalling a little bit. The editing wasn't working for me. But I appreciate if you're still here watching. Bye.